on, Reyes fans in YouTube? Y'all know who it is. It's Gabriel Reyes, and welcome to another video of Gabriel's Fashion Sense Halloween Edition. First things first, while dressing up and cosplaying as Gomez Addams, you always want to make sure that you always have a mustache. Either go with like a full-on mustache or go with like a pencil mustache, whichever way works for you. If you want to go with the mustache that worked in the old TV series or the live action movies, by all means go ahead with any of those mustaches. But either way, when you're cosplaying as Gomez Addams, always have the mustache. Alright you guys, so for the bottom part of the Gomez outfit, you know, because this is like my style on how to dress up as Gomez Addams, I put together a black belt that has skull and flower designs on it, because, you know, with the Addams family being all gothic and everything, and of course this is my gothic style of dressing up as Gomez Addams, and of course I put it together with a skull belt buckle with, you know, with bones and snakes on it, and of course, you know, this is, you know, a gothic look that goes with my version of the Gomez cosplay. And of course, you know, pants wise, if you want to go with black jeans, slacks, or pants, you know, whatever, just make sure that, you know, you wear some bottom jeans, pants that are black and dark, so, you know, it gives it that look. Okay, so the most important thing about the Gomez outfit are the shoes. If you're gonna go with dress shoes or dress boots, you can go with either. Just make sure you find some that are comfortable and some that match with the outfit very well, because dressing up as Gomez Addams, if you have a partner, girlfriend that's gonna cosplay as Morticia Addams, you definitely want to wear some comfortable shoes that you want to waltz or do the tango in. Alright, and another thing to wear with the Gomez outfit is, of course, go with any tie you guys want. Either go with a red tie, black tie, or a polka dot tie, because if you guys remember Gomez's ties and his suits that he wore, you know, they were always interesting, and most of his suits, they were all like very nice looking. And of course, you want to go with a white shirt, you know, to complete the black and white outfit that, you know, Gomez would wear all the time. And now for the most important thing about the Gomez costume, his blazer. That's right, you guys. So for this Gomez cosplay, I decided to go with a black blazer with white stripes, as we've all seen in the TV show as well as the movies. And, you know, just having like this on, ooh, it really gives you that classy look, but also darkness to the Gomez Addams cosplay. Alright you guys, so let's just go out and get a quick view of the full costume, full cosplay of Gomez Addams. Okay you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of how to cosplay, dress up as Gomez Addams from the Addams family. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell as well. Y'all know who it is. I'm Gabriel Reyes. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video. But before you go, here are a couple of pictures of me as Gomez Addams.